Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to delve into fashion choices of Ale F. Let's dive in. Ale stuns in a tailored jumpsuit, featuring bold patterns or vibrant colors. She pairs it with statement accessories like oversized hoops and a sleek clutch, adding a touch of glam to the ensemble. Embracing her free-spirited side, she opts for flowy maxi dresses with intricate prints and delicate details. She completes the look with layered necklaces, a wide-brimmed hat, and suede ankle boots for a boho chic vibe. Adding an edge to her style, the beauty rocks a classic leather jacket paired with distressed denim jeans or a flirty skirt. She adds a pop of color with a bold lip and accessorizes with chunky boots or studded heels for an edgy yet feminine look. Making a powerful statement, the actress steps out in a tailored power suit, exuding confidence and sophistication. She experiments with bold colors like emerald green or electric blue, elevating the ensemble with sleek pumps and minimalistic jewelry. Embracing the athleisure trend, the model effortlessly combines comfort and style with oversized hoodies, leggings, and trendy sneakers. She adds a chic touch with designer sunglasses and a structured tote bag, perfect for running errands or grabbing coffee with friends. Channeling old Hollywood glamour, the actress dazzles in vintage-inspired dresses with plunging necklines and figure-flattering silhouettes. She completes the look with vintage accessories like pearl earrings and a beaded clutch, exuding timeless elegance. For laid-back days, the beauty opts for effortlessly cool ensembles like oversized sweaters paired with distressed denim shorts or boyfriend jeans. She keeps it simple yet stylish with sneakers or ankle boots and a crossbody bag for added convenience. Ale effortlessly masters the art of layering, combining different textures and fabrics to create a visually stunning ensemble. She might layer a silk slip dress over a fitted turtleneck or style a cozy knit sweater over a flowy midi dress. By mixing and matching pieces, she adds depth and dimension to her outfits, showcasing her keen eye for detail. Her accessory game is always on point, with each piece carefully curated to complement her outfit. She might accessorize with statement belts, embellished headbands, or quirky sunglasses to add personality to her look. Whether it's layering delicate necklaces or stacking bold bracelets, she knows how to accessorize with finesse, turning heads wherever she goes. Monochrome outfits not only make a bold statement but also give her an effortlessly chic vibe. The model effortlessly brings retro styles into the modern day. She might opt for high-waisted trousers paired with a cropped blouse for a 70s-inspired look or don a mini A-line skirt with a vintage band tee for a nod to the 90s. By infusing retro elements into her outfits, she adds a nostalgic charm to her fashion repertoire. When it comes to red carpet events, Ale pulls out all the stops, showcasing glamorous gowns and couture creations. She gravitates towards designs that accentuate her figure, whether it's a sleek mermaid silhouette or a dramatic ball gown. With impeccable styling and attention to detail, she exudes confidence and sophistication on the red carpet, cementing her status as a fashion icon. Her off-duty style is just as noteworthy as her red carpet looks, often spotted rocking effortlessly cool street-style ensembles. She might pair a graphic tee with distressed jeans and a leather jacket for an edgy vibe or opt for a cozy oversized sweater paired with leggings and sneakers for a laid-back yet stylish look. Her street-style looks are casual yet curated, proving that she's always on trend, even on the go. Ale effortlessly embraces her cultural heritage through her fashion choices, often incorporating traditional Indian textiles and motifs into her outfits. Whether it's a stunning sari with intricate embroidery or a contemporary fusion ensemble featuring a mix of traditional and modern elements, she celebrates her roots with grace and style. Her ethnic-inspired looks are a testament to her appreciation for diversity and cultural richness. Even on her most laid-back days, the actress exudes effortless glamour with her relaxed yet stylish outfits. She might throw on a slouchy blazer over a simple tank top and jeans, elevating the ensemble with sleek accessories like statement earrings or a structured handbag. With minimal effort, she manages to look polished and put together, proving that glamour can be achieved without sacrificing comfort. She knows the power of a statement outerwear piece to elevate any look. Whether it's a bold-colored coat, a faux fur jacket, or a tailored blazer with unique detailing, she uses outerwear as a focal point to make a stylish entrance. By choosing outerwear that makes a statement, she adds personality and flair to her outfits, effortlessly commanding attention wherever she goes. Channeling laid-back bohemian vibes, the actress often gravitates towards breezy silhouettes and earthy tones in her wardrobe. She might layer flowy maxi skirts with cropped blouses or pair loose-fitting pants with off-the-shoulder tops for a relaxed yet chic look. With tousled hair and minimal makeup, she embodies the carefree spirit of bohemian fashion, radiating an aura of effortless charm. Ale makes conscious choices to support eco-friendly brands and practices. She embraces vintage and thrifted pieces, reimagining them in modern ways to create unique and environmentally friendly outfits. By promoting sustainability in fashion, she sets an example for her followers, proving that style and ethics can go hand in hand. Ale challenges traditional gender norms by embracing gender-fluid fashion and experimenting with diverse styles. She might mix traditionally masculine and feminine elements in her outfits, blurring the lines between genders and celebrating individual expression. By championing inclusivity and diversity in fashion, she paves the way for greater acceptance and representation within the industry. Known for her creativity and DIY skills, the beauty often customizes her clothing to reflect her unique personality. Whether it's adding patches to denim jackets, embellishing sneakers with rhinestones, or distressing jeans for a vintage look, she infuses her wardrobe with one-of-a-kind pieces that showcase her artistic flair. Her DIY creations are a testament to her passion for fashion and her willingness to think outside the box. Ale infuses her wardrobe with global influences. She might incorporate elements of Moroccan textiles, Japanese silhouettes, or African prints into her outfits, creating eclectic and vibrant looks that reflect her worldly perspective. Ale seamlessly blends fashion and functionality with her stylish activewear choices. Whether she's hitting the gym or running errands, she opts for workout gear that's both trendy and practical. Think sleek leggings paired with crop tops or matching sets in bold colors and geometric patterns. With her fashion-forward approach to activewear, she proves that fitness can be fashionable. For Ale, fashion is a form of artistic expression, and she isn't afraid to push boundaries and experiment with avant-garde styles. She might don avant-garde silhouettes, architectural shapes, or unconventional fabrics to create truly unique and thought-provoking looks. By treating fashion as an art form, she challenges conventions and inspires others to embrace their creativity. The model effortlessly transitions her wardrobe between seasons, adapting her style to suit the changing weather. In the cooler months, she embraces cozy layers, chunky knits, and statement coats to stay warm while remaining stylish. As the temperature rises, she opts for lightweight fabrics, breezy silhouettes, and vibrant colors to beat the heat in style. Her ability to seamlessly transition her style with the seasons demonstrates her versatility as a fashionista. With a penchant for vintage fashion, the actress frequently incorporates retro pieces into her wardrobe, adding a touch of old-world glamour to her modern-day looks. She might don a vintage fur stole over a cocktail dress or accessorize with vintage-inspired jewelry for a touch of vintage elegance. By paying homage to fashion eras of the past, she adds a sense of nostalgia and sophistication to her style. She uses fashion as a tool to express her individuality, boost her confidence, and make a statement. Whether she's challenging societal norms, advocating for causes she believes in, or simply expressing her personality through her style choices, she uses fashion as a platform for empowerment and positive change. In addition to her fashion choices, Ale isn't afraid to experiment with her hairstyles and makeup looks to complement her outfits. She might rock bold hair colors, intricate braids, or avant-garde makeup styles to add an extra element of flair to her ensembles. With her fearless approach to beauty, she proves that fashion is all about self-expression and creativity. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.